I'm going to teach you all how to earn more minutes and get more playing time when playing basketball. Let me explain. Hi, my name is Paul Jose Wong. Currently play basketball overseas at the university level in Europe, and I started playing basketball when I was 17 years old. In the past, I played 2 years D3, and I also played a couple months at a professional basketball academy in Spain. Honestly, a lot of this doesn't have to do with scoring. Literally, it just has to do with first getting paint touches, being able to find your open teammate just so they can get open shots, and being able to help your team flow within the offense. The other thing that is just as important is being able to find the person to pass the ball after getting a rebound. Always be able to crash boards, give your team extra possessions, just like that. The other thing I was going to say too in relations to that is following your shot, being able to get an open rebound like that, and being able to pass to players that can find an open pass so your team gets the easiest shot without forcing any bad passes. Speaking of that, being able to find open teammates so they draw fouls is good, and also being able to just hit an open pass for your teammate just to have an open shot makes the game a lot easier. The other thing, this has to do with defense. Be able to take a charge. A lot of it is just effort and timing. Stand in front of the dribbler that is going at you for the drive, and then just force them to draw an offensive foul. Make the team get into foul trouble, which are your opponents. A lot of the times, this is the one skill people are afraid of doing, and coaches will never say, hey, don't take too many charges. You know what I mean? That's something a team can always use. The other thing, don't be a liability on defense. Be able to front the post and just be a pest to quicker defenders and just be able to guard 94 feet. Basically, just don't allow the offensive team to be able to run all their plays right off the bat. The other thing you can do, force the people that drive against you into the help defense. You're gonna help your other teammates gain extra stats like blocks. Always communicate on the offense or defensive end with your teammates so you guys know what plays or what defensive schemes you're running, and be able to just dive for loose balls. It's not fancy work. It may not show on the stat sheet, but it allows your team to have better chances of winning, and sometimes you'll just get more steals. And that's about it. These skills will help you play and earn more minutes in basketball, and overall just will improve your overall skill set. Much love. Follow the journey.